Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? Welcome back to my channel, my darlings. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, my name is Fumi Desalu-Vold and welcome. I know you must be saying to yourself, Fumi, we love the lips, so do I. I had done a new studio tour, and when I did it, the drawer of my lipsticks was not done. I've done it. And I found this little number right here. It is called Crimson Chrome by Smashbox. Metallic-y, red, fabulous. And I thought, why not? Why not wear it for this episode? Good to explore. Good to explore. I love my nude lip, but every once in a while it's good to wear a really nice poppy color. And I have like a little red on my shadow, no liner. You can just wear lashes and it's kind of good and it works. Yes, it does. So, my darlings, you must be saying to yourselves, why are we here? What kind of episode is this? I listen to you. I read all of the comments. And a lot of you said, Fumi, we love the reels and we love the fragrances that you're spraying on yourself. Can you do an updated favorite fragrance episode? Your wish is my command. 110%. Yes, 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 yes. And so we're here. Today's episode is all about the fragrances that I am loving. Some are old, some are older, but they just work. They just work for me. The very first one, which I love, RAINE. Ah. So gorgeous. I absolutely live for this. I got this in Selfridges. I live in London. I got this in Selfridges and I was just really walking by, you know, just to see what they had. And you know how they and I was like, oh, what's that? And they said it's RAINE. And this is called the Mediterranean Honeysuckle. Oh, absolutely beautiful. 110%. You would want to know what the notes are. The Mediterranean Honeysuckle by Erin Lauder, Estee Lauder's daughter, is a floral fruity fragrance. And it has honeysuckle, it has grapefruit, it has mandarin orange, gardenia, jasmine, lily of the valley, and bergamot. So if those are what you kind of gravitate to, go right ahead and get this. It is so gorgeous. I've loved it in the summer. Again, it's sweet, it's fresh. It just wakes me up and I just feel alive. For those of you that will be asking, Fumi, what are you using on your complexion? I am drinking water, and I mentioned this on my Instagram stories. Coconut oil, raw coconut oil, has removed all of the hyperpigmentations that I had. My body looks and feels like it's 20. All the little scars, imperfections, hyperpigmentation. Look at my hands. Look at my hands. You know how dark they were. Coconut oil. Raw coconut oil. Ula and I went to Thailand, and we went to the coconut fields, and they use everything for coconut. and it felt like a gel. That's how rich the coconut was. I never went back, and I decided, you know what, for me, come on through and come and start using this with your healthy journey and everything. So if you guys are asking what are we working with, this is it. Plus I've lost like 35 pounds, you know. So yeah. All right, the next fragrance, Kabutine. This was given to me by my uncle. I don't think I was even 20. And he's passed away now. And it is one of my favorite fragrances ever. I was at duty free at the airport and I picked this up. And I haven't dropped it ever since. Let us find out what the notes are. So it's a lot in here. It is absolutely a lot. We have top notes. We have blossom, we have black currant, we have tangerine, we have peach, we have plum. Middle notes, we have hyacinth, jasmine, ginger. We also have rose, iris, violet. Base notes, we have sandalwood, we have amber, we have black currant, and vanilla. Again, sweets. That is me. I just love that beautiful, sweet, feminine fragrance. I layer it. I put it on my hand. I put a little bit of coconut oil and I rub it all in. And it just lingers on. I absolutely love Kabutine. It is an oldie, but it is such a classic. Such a classic. Oh God, Fleur De Oranges. At a hotel, Ula had booked it. I had gone for Cannes, and you know, in the mornings they have this little body wash sachets. It was this. I couldn't wait to wake up in the morning and have a bath. I just felt awake and alive. And one day I asked the cleaning lady, I said, what is this? And she told me it was Fleur De Oranges. Beautiful, fresh, like the breeze. I lived for it. I had a fabulous time in Cannes. I'm talking about almost 10 years ago. Yep. About 10 years ago. And it works again. Why? In summer. I love it in the winter too. But I'm a sweet girl. So you can see that there really truly is, there's a preference. The fruit, I just live for. I absolutely live for. It's gorgeous. You have to try it out for yourself. And you will find yourself saying, wow, this is so lovely. You'll get compliments. I get compliments a lot with Kabutine. With Kabutine all the time, and Fleur De Oranges. I get that as well. So those are my three in no particular order. The next one also, it's a classic, Estee Lauder.
All you want is my hunger. All you need is my pain. Nothing in between, never met you lost. When you were born there was thunder, fire lit in the sky as to lead astray. Now heavy rain pours out of you and me. Come back, rain. Come and ease this obsession. Full force dispossess. Come and quiet this aggression. If we met in a year or two, would you set your eyes on me? Wear your heart on your sleeve, nothing in between. We'll come back.
Estee Lauder private collection. Ula bought me Estee Lauder because I love their lipsticks, I love their lip pencils. I loved Estee Lauder. I loved everything about it. Well, as you can see, here I am with Erin, you know, mother-daughter. I think it was her niece, as a matter of fact. I think it was her niece that took over. And so Ula bought me a beautiful package for Christmas. And you know how they have a little bit of everything and then they have like a sample. And this was private collection. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Let us find out what the notes are. I haven't really bothered looking for notes for fragrances, but because I'm doing this for you guys, I want you to have an idea, because some of you be like, well, I don't like musk, I don't like this, I don't like that, so that you have an idea. But always stop by, you know, when you have time and find out if you love them. Yeah? Okay. So let's go into Estee Lauder. And the notes, they've got top, they've got middle, they've got it all here, and they've got base notes. The top notes, green notes, hyacinth, lime, linden blossom, bergamot, orange blossom, and we have lemon. So we've got lemon and lime for the top notes. The middle notes, jasmine, rose, pear. The base notes, sandalwood. You have musk. You have oat moss. You have cedar. So that's what you have in the private collection. You have to be careful because it's not Estee Lauder. It is the private collection by Estee Lauder. I love it. I think I bought this for my sister. I bought this for my beautiful mother, who also puts fragrances on her hanky. She sprays a little bit on tissue and then she puts her matching underwear. If you guys want me to do something like that, because I'm back to kind of wearing my lacy matching underwear. I love, oh my God, perfume, flowers, lacy underwear, watermelon. I live. Yes, yes, gorgeous. The fifth, is by Clarins, and it is Eau de Jardin.
And if I ever forget what matters most, if I am giving up the ghost, remind me, babe, and I will do my best to recall. And if I stumble and fall, if I make a mess of it all, remind me, babe, and I will do my best to recall.
Gorgeous. When I was pregnant, my mother bought me Clarins. They had, I forget, I'll put it up for you, but it was a beautiful lotion cream to help as I was growing with Adrian, so that you didn't have any stretch marks and everything. And she said, Fumi, I have bought you something online, it's coming to you. I used it too, and it was Clarins. So I bought the Clarins And when I went there, I bought this. And I live for it. So what are the notes, you tell me? Top notes: citrus, orange, grapefruit, bergamot. Middle notes: rose, bay leaf, mint. Base notes: musk, patchouli, Virginia cedar. That's so crazy to me. Every single one of them are fruits. Every single one that I love. So if you guys are saying to yourself, Fumi, we want to buy you a fragrance, now you know. Now you know what I love. I love this. It was the only fragrance I could wear while I was carrying Adrian. You know, so it really does have a little sentiment to my heart. I absolutely love this. Thank you very much for watching. I would like to also know what you guys like. Let me know below. It's always fun, you know, because I like to explore. Since I'm kind of gravitated towards this, let me try and get out of my comfort zone. And then if you know of other fruity fragrances that you think I just might love, let me know below. So these are ideas. So you can buy it for yourself, you can buy it for your mom, you can buy it for your sister. Guys, I'm having a lot of guys on the episode. Yes, you can buy it for your girlfriend, for that special somebody, as well as your mom. You know, it's always a lovely gift. Now, you'll be saying to yourself, Fumi, we love the hair. It's my Ray. Yeah, her collaboration that she did with insert your name here. I love it. It's super, super soft. This was a gift from one of Adrian's teachers at his nursery. We became friends. Lovely, 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 lovely woman. And she left. And she gave me this. Sentimental episode. Can you see what I'm working with? It's a sentimental episode. Fragrance is very intimate. It's very, you know, close to my heart. And these are the ones that I'm really loving. And I'm happy to share with you guys. All right. So I'll see you when? I'll see you in the next episode. Mwah. Bye for now. Take good care of yourselves. I am so proud of you. Take one day at a time. It's not always full of sunshine every day. I get those down days too. But the good news is that I have something to look forward to, because, you know, if you push through, you push through to brighter days. All of my love. Mwah.